Hi, I am Supurnandra Silva. My student ID is TGO3109. I'm going to present my corporate accounting individual assignments. First, I give to the little bit introduction of my presentation. The report discuss the difference of the content in the income statement and the cash flow statement in the term of usage of income statement and cash flow statement to the decision making process of the business organization. We get the three business corporation in this presentation. First one is BHP Limited, second one is Santos Limited, and third one is Fantastic Limited. These based on the cash flow statement in last 3 years are evaluated to the under the financial strength of above three organization. For that purpose, it is evaluated operating cash flows, financial cash flows, and investment cash flows of the above three organization. First, I am going to explain part A. Part A is why do investors both income statement and the cash flow statement are useful. First one is the financial reporting process of the business organization provide the complete and the accurate information to the management to take the right business decision at the right time. Second one is income statement provide the comparative information to the shareholders on profitability from the operation activities. Third one is cash flow statement provide the information on cash inflows and outflows of the business operation. Now I am going to explain part B. Part B, first one is a cash flow statement analysis from the firm. Under this question 1, first category is a major source of the cash inflow and the cash outflows of these three organizations. First one is the BHP Limited. Operation cash flow inflow mainly come from the sales income, and operation cash flow outflow is the BPH Limited incur for the administration expenses. Santos Limited mainly comprises of the receptions from the customer from the normal course of business activities, and the operating cash outflows are having been incur for the payment for supply and the employees mainly. Fantastic Limited is a receipt from the customer, and the payment to the supplier are the main operation cash inflow and the outflow in last 3 years. Second one is trend of the cash flow from the continuing the operations. In BHP Limited, net operation cash flow position is increasing during the last 3 years period due to the increase the net profitability position. In Santos Limited, operation cash flow inflow growth rate during the last 3 years period is higher than operation cash flow growth rate. In Fantastic Limited is decreasing the over the period of the due to the deduction of from the customers. In third one is comparison between net profit after tax and net operation expenses at BHP Limited only. When the compare net profit after tax with the net operation profit at BHP Limited, there are significant difference between net profit after tax with the net operation profit in last 3 years. This main reason is that elimination of the non-cash expenses of depreciation and the amortizations when compute the operating cash flow from the net profit after tax. The fourth one is the evaluating the whether firm generate adequate at the operation cash flow to the pay its capital expenditure in these three companies. In BHP Limited, net operation cash flow of the BHP Limited is not adequate to the bear the financial cash outflow, mainly due to the extent of high repayment of borrowing commitment. In 2017 to 2018 to Santos Limited does not have adequate net operation cash flow to cover the investment and the finance capital expenditure. However, in the 2019, Santos Limited has increased the net operation cash flow position by the increase the cash reception from this sales income. In Fantastic Limited has more net operation cash flow position compared to the cash outflow for investment and the financial activities. The main reason for the Fantastic Limited does not have higher cash outflow for the capital expenditure from investment and the financial activities. Fifth one is the evaluating whether firm generate adequate the net operation cash flow to cover the dividend payments. In BHP Limited, adequate the net operation cash flow to cover dividends payment in last 3 years. But Centres Limited has low dividend payment ratio. But Fantastic Limited has not paid the dividend for the ordinary share the next previous years. Sixth one is how to invest excess cash from the operations. Invest the excess operation cash flow, merge and the acquisition strength to the acquire profitable subsidiaries to the business segments. Increase the cash generating capacity of the existing non-current assets to the generate the more operation cash. Take the appropriate action to the settle these long-term borrowing commitments to reduce the financial risk position of these three organizations. Seventh one is usage of the working capital other than the cash and cash equivalent at BHP Limited. This BHP Limited working capital mainly consistent of the current assets and current liabilities. The current assets of the BHP Limited is highlight that current assets comparisons of inventories and the trade receivables other than cash equivalent mainly. BHP Limited has to bear the higher amount of the cost of for inventory holding the inventory management. It will be negatively impact to the working capital management. Eighth one is the other major item effect to the cash flow of the firms. In BHP Limited, net income tax and the royal related tax payment have been impacted to determine the net operating cash flow other than the main cash flows for normal operation activities. Cash outflow for the repayment borrowing at Centres Limited is a major other items which has determined the net cash flows positions. In Fantastic Limited's cost for share issue can be considered as other major thing which determine the net cash position. In 90s, trend of the capital expenditures of these firms. In BHP Limited are purchasing the property, plant, equipment, repayment of borrowing and dividend payments to the ordinary is the most expenditures in this organization, and Centres Limited has incurred more capital related cash flow outflow for the payments of exploration and the evaluation assets and oil and gas assets. Fantastic Limited does not have higher cash outflow for the capital expenditure for other than purchase of other intangible assets and costs from the share issues under the financial activities. Number 10 is trend of the dividend payment of this firm. BHP has increased the dividend payment ratio with the respect with the growth of net profitability per annum. Centres has increased the dividend payment from 2018 to 2019 mainly. However, compared to net operation cash flow, dividend payment is at low positions. But Fantastic Limited has not distributed the dividend from last 3 years. 11 is a trend of net borrowing of the firms. From 2017 to 2019, proceeds from interest in bearing liabilities have been reduced at the BHP Limited. When the review the net borrowing Centres Limited, proceed from the borrowing has been decreased from 1,193 million to 592 million from last 2 years. Proceed from the borrowing of Fantastic Limited has increased more than 100% rate from 2018 to 2019. Number 12 is trend of the working capital according to BHP Limited. When the measuring the working capital requirement of the business organization is considered on the trade receivables, trade payables and the inventories. increase of the trade and the receivables position from the 2017 to 2019, it has been impact on the working capital position at BHP Limited is negatively. Further, inventory position of BHP Limited has been reduced from 2017 to 2019. Now I am going to explain the part B, question number 2, evaluation of the financial strength of the three firms. BHP has a strong financial strength from the operational activities. Santos Limited does not have adequate net operation cash flows to cover the negative net cash flow from the investment activities and the financing activities. Funtastic does not have the adequate financial strength in terms of operation cash flow. Part B, question number 3 is evaluating the financial strength of these three companies in terms of lending purpose. According to these three companies, Santos Limited has strong financial position to bear the finance commitment due to the long-term borrowing. Santos Limited has low long-term borrowing liabilities compared to other two firms. Recommend to the choose Santos Limited to grant the borrowing under the lending purpose. Now I am going to give the conclusion of this presentation. Working capital management decision of the organization should be taken considering the behavior of operating cash flows, investment cash flows and the financial cash flows. Compared to these three, organization has higher financial strength with the positive operation cash flow over the period of time. Considering those implication, it is recommended to review the cash outflow for the non-value added activities of above three firms and take appropriate action to remove those activities in order to increase the net cash inflow positions. This is my presentation. Thank you very much.